We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is normally said as Coccyx. Coccyx. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the cock syllable. Coccyx. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as Coccyx. Coccyx, with a more open cock sound rather than cock sound. Coccyx in American English versus Coccyx in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.